I have a client who is going through a very rough patch in his life, and although I didn't want to post it near Valentine's, but I had to post it because I think that most of the people around us go through this kind of thing once in their lifetime, and young generation too. So he's going through betrayal trauma because his wife is cheating upon him, and this really cuts you deep inside. क्योंकि इस तरीके का जो धोखा होता है, it really hurts you. ऐसा लगता है कि your trust and faith जिस दुनिया में आप रह रहे थे, that's completely broken, you're shaken. उस समय में shame also manifests in many ways. ऐसा लगता है अपने पे शर्म आती है, अपनी self worth बहुत ज्यादा कम लगने लगती है. लगता है कि couldn't you see it coming? Couldn't you see what's happening? Where were you lost? Etc. Etc. इस तरीके के questions उठते हैं. बहुत सारे लोगों पर विश्वास करने का मन नहीं करता है. Shame also manifests in many other ways. Like the most insidious aspect of shame is that it silences you. You don't want to speak to anyone. It feels that you will sound vulnerable in front of others. You will sound foolish in front of others. लोग क्या सोचेंगे? ऐसा लगता है I'm being exposed in front of the world. So in those times, please take a control of yourself. 2-3 चीजों का हम ध्यान रखें कि just acknowledge the hurt. उसको समझें, उसको समझने की अच्छे से कोशिश करें कि क्या इसका impact क्या हुआ है. What is the impact of that hurt? Acknowledge the hurt and rebuild within, which will take time. It might take time. कई लोगों को तो बहुत समय लग जाता है इस चीज से निकलने में, महीनों लग जाते हैं, कईयों को सालों लग जाते हैं, कुछ लोग दिनों में ही रिकवर कर लेते हैं. Depends from person to person, but उस समय इस चीज को अपने ऊपर हावी ना होने दे, because silence really आपको लोगों से अलग कर देता है. आप socially बिल्कुल cut off हो जाते हैं in those times, and this really leads to depression and all. So talk to somebody, acknowledge the hurt और rebuild होने का समय जरूरी. I just hope it helps.